What are you talking about?
Oh, like you don't have a giant robot ready to smash Townsville.
No,
No diabolical plans to destroy the world?
no.
Turn everyone into zombies and you scare people?
Oh, for crying out loud, no! I had no intention of committing any crimes today.
Then what were you doing before we got here?
Sleeping,
Before that?
reading the paper.
Oh. Well, you better behave yourself or we'll be back!
Oh, goodness, I'd better not snore.